Guys, look at this American Eagle. American Eagle Embraer. Woo! Another one! I just forgot to show you guys that there was an Airbus A380 right here. Guys, look at this. Wow. Guys, Airbus A320 Delta. Nice. Wow. I just like, oh! American Eagle Embraer. Guys, look at the Southwest. Whoa! I've never seen one of those Southwest before. It's like, let me check. Guys, look! Wow, look at those jets. Wow. Wow. Those were the one, that was Southwest was the Colorado one live. Yeah, that's electric. Okay, that was a Cessna jet. It was a Cessna jet. And what is it? Guys, that's a United Boeing 737 MAX 9. What? This plane. Wow, it's so far away. So guys, that's one of those planes. It's an Embraer though. Guys. Wow. Almost collided. It's a Sierra 900 Delta and a United 767. Wow, but they almost collided. Delta Embraer. Wow. Guys, look at this. Icelander. It's an Icelander. It's a Boeing 7. Can't see this. Guys, Icelander. No, you can't see it. Where is it? That was an Icelander. It was an Icelander. It was a Boeing 737 MAX 9. Guys, it's an Embraer. Guys, I saw a United Boeing 737. I saw the, bro. No, I saw the 787. I saw the 780. I saw the United 787 9 Dreamliner, and that was cool. What? You don't believe this, but I found a FedEx semi-truck with 2 trailers, and so this is a UPS semi-truck. But when I go to there to look over here, I realize it has no trailers. It's a UPS semi-truck with no trailers. Damn. It gets bigger when I zoom in.